Hello friends. Welcome to Storytime with Choc and Chip, where we learn and laugh together.
The donkey's journey to save the land. Meet our hero, a wise and determined donkey living in a land where the sun blazes and the rivers run dry. As his friends crumble under the drought, he discovers an age-old legend of a hidden spring. Could this tale be true, and could he save them all? Armed with courage and a map of whispers, our donkey sets off across scorching deserts and rugged mountains. As sandstorms rage and thorns scratch, he never loses hope. Each step echoes with his bravery, and each challenge toughens his resolve to save his home. Even heroes have their doubts. Our donkey faces whispering winds that taunt and paths that twist and turn. Yet, he listens to the beat of his heart and remembers his friends waiting back home. His spirit becomes his compass, guiding him through the darkest moments. Finally, in the shadow of a grand mountain, he hears a trickling sound, a melody of salvation. The hidden spring gushes brightly, promising life. With pure, refreshing water, he fills his containers, feeling the joy of a mission accomplished and hope restored. Triumphant, our donkey returns to his thirsty homeland, sharing the life-giving water. Gardens bloom, spirits lift, and laughter returns. The land remembers vitality thanks to one donkey's resolve. Join us on other incredible adventures by subscribing to Storytime with Choc and Chip. Share this tale with friends and let the spirit of adventure fill your day.